pretty good news for Wimbledon. In fact, for most of England and Wales, which is pretty good news for Wimbledon. In fact, for most of England and Wales and eastern Scotland, the afternoon will be largely dry. The odd shower here and there, but few and far between, and nothing like the torrential downpours that we saw yesterday. So in the brighter spots, actually not feeling too bad. Temperatures about average really for this time of the year, 19 to 21 degrees typically, but just enough of a breeze to make it feel a little on the cool side whenever the sun goes in. Across Northern Ireland, though, it's a rather different story. We've got some pretty heavy outbreaks of rain beginning to move in now, so unpleasant on the roads, I think, through the next few hours. And that rain will be fairly slow to clear away from eastern areas even later on this afternoon, but eventually we'll find some brighter skies pushing across from the west for this evening. And as that rain moves into the northwest of England, North Wales and across Scotland, it'll turn lighter and more patchy, I think, with very little, if any, rain reaching easternmost parts of Scotland. Still the odd shower further south. We might see a heavy one perhaps in East Anglia later on this evening, but hopefully bypassing Wimbledon on the way. But if we look out to the west, the weather systems are lining up once again in the Atlantic to head our way, and this batch of clouds is going to bring some more rain into northwestern parts of the UK during tomorrow. Low pressure gets ever nearer over the next few days. As the low gets closer, so we'll see the amount of showers increasing. Quite a few lines on the chart as well. That means it's going to turn quite breezy, and that'll make it feel something on the cool side. But to start the day tomorrow, certainly quite damp, I think, across Northern Ireland, northwestern parts of Scotland as well. Elsewhere, again, a largely dry story for England and Wales and eastern Scotland. The odd shower here and there. More in the way of clouds, though, generally across western parts of England and Wales. And the odd shower just turning up as we go through the afternoon. But many places will again manage to stay dry. Not so for Northern Ireland and for much of northwest Scotland, where it will stay rather wet, I think. Some heavy outbreaks over western coasts and hills. So here, feeling a little on the cool side. For most of us, though, it will actually feel a little bit warmer, I think, tomorrow. Even muggy across southern parts, with temperatures up around 23 or 24. So a decent day tomorrow for Wimbledon. Not so good, though. From midweek onwards, we're going to see quite a few showers pushing in. In fact, we're all looking at some showery weather from, really, Wednesday onwards. Anna.
Thanks.